What's the meaning of autocross? Autocross. Autocross.
Autocross. Autocross. Autocross is a form of motorsports that emphasizes competition against the clock on a defined course. It involves drivers maneuvering through a predefined course typically marked by traffic cones, aiming to achieve the fastest time possible without touching any of the cones or going off course. The winner is determined by the driver with the lowest elapsed time. Autocross events are typically held in large parking lots or other open areas and attract a wide range of participants, from amateur weekend warriors to seasoned professionals looking to hone their skills.